Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this new Toyota Sienna Hybrid LE. Now the most notable features on this LE is its heated steering wheel. You also have your heated front seats and your blind spot monitoring. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this new Toyota Sienna Hybrid LE all-wheel drive. Let's get started. Now a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this LE is its daytime running lights. You also have your 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels if you just take a look on the side. And up top you have your foldable mirrors as well as your heated mirrors. Taking a look on the inside of the mirror, you're going to see your blind spot monitoring indicator. Now with that indicator, it'll actually light up just letting you know if there is another vehicle right beside you. If we take a closer look just at the second row, as you can see, you have 3 additional seats here. If you're not actually using the middle seat, you can actually have it removed to make easier access for the third row, which I'll show you later on here. Window visor guards, well, window visor shades I should say, just on the inside there to block out some of that sun just when you're going on those long trips. One of the nice things that was added in with the Sienna is that you have this handle that extends from the top to the bottom, or almost all the way to the bottom here, to make things a little bit easier for your children or people that have a little bit of a harder time actually getting into the vehicle. That way they have something sturdy to actually grab onto. And then taking a look just underneath here, you're going to find the close button. All you have to do is just push on it once and it will close for you automatically. Now the nice thing is the door does have the jam protection feature, so in the event that the door does sense there's an obstruction in the way, it'll stop from closing. Now if you want to actually close the door from the outside, just pull on the handle once more and it will close for you automatically. Now the color we're going to be taking a look at today is black, and taking a closer look just at the front dash as well as the front seats, you have your gray cloth interior with your power driver's seat, and over on the left hand side you have your automatic high beams, heated steering wheel, and then on the inside of the driver's side door you have your mirror controls, window locks, power locks, and window controls. Now, a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your Bluetooth connectivity, voice recognition, volume control, lane departure alert, cruise control, mode select, and seek function. Now, if we take a closer look, it does have the push button start, so all you have to do is push your foot on the brake, hit the push button, and it will start up for you automatically. And taking a look at the multi-informational display, you'll see a couple of different features on here. So if we actually scroll through, you'll see your digital speedometer with a distance to empty, fuel economy. You can also scroll through and take a look at the lane departure alert, audio, energy monitor, tire pressure monitoring with all-wheel drive, settings menu with the lane trace assist. You also have the pre-collision system in here, along with your blind spot monitoring on and off for your cross traffic alert, and a couple of other additional features as well. Now, taking a look, you have your messages at the very end, and you also have an exterior temperature gauge with a digital clock on here. Taking a look at the center dash as well as the display, you'll find a couple of different features on here. So if you go inside your menu screen, you have your audio phone apps as well as a couple of other additional features. Now, inside the apps menu, it's part of the Entune app suite, so as long as you have it on your phone, you can use such apps as the Scout GPS app, which allows you to stream your maps from your phone onto the touch panel display. You can also check on local fuel prices or on the latest sports scores, just depending on what your preferences are. Now, if you take a look down below, you do have the dual zone climate control settings with your heated seat controls for your driver and your passenger. As you can see, you also have a shelf that extends from your driver's side to the passenger side, where you can place smaller items, and then the nice thing is if you want, you can place your phone here and have it connected to the USB. It's mounted to an automatic transmission with your drive mode and EV mode. Now, as you can see with the new design for the Sienna, you have this nice space here where you can actually just place your arm, making things a little bit easier for you when you're actually shifting gears here. The other thing is, with the previous gen models, this actually used to be open space here, but if you take a look underneath, you still have space underneath where you can actually store some cargo, and you also have the power outlet located underneath there as well. If we take a closer look just at the top here, you have your open and close for the power sliding rear doors with the light controls And then taking a look at the backup camera, as you can see, you have those nice guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you when you back into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate now. Taking a look on the back, you'll find your backup camera just on the left-hand side and the rear hatch release located underneath. Closing in on the rear cargo space, as you can see, you have a 60-40 split for the rear seat, so in the event that you need the additional space, it's available to you. As you can see, even with the additional occupants just in the back there, if you actually have the 60 side up, you still have plenty of cargo space located down below and up top here. Now, the other nice thing is, if you forget how the seats fold or unfold, the instructions are located just on the back of the seat there. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.